Sir, how can I start my online business by bootstrapping only?
Hmm. That's a good question. Very less people ask for bootstrapping. All want the easy way. They just want investors. But if you're asking about bootstrapping, it's a beautiful question for me because in bootstrapping, you actually work hard day and night and you build business by investing yourself, your sweat especially. And you work on every single element of building a business online by putting efforts, by working on errors, by reworking on errors, resolving those issues, and building it successful. The best way out is work with me. I'll help you to become the best bootstrapper. And when I say bootstrapping, it's the best way to learn what not to do in building a business, and all those mistakes you will learn very early and very easily, and then you will become very successful. I have seen people who look for investors money, and investors literally burn the money because they think that those people from IITs, IIMs, and Harvard University, Stanford, they can do something big, but majority of them fail. The special category of business owners who built themselves very successful are bootstrappers. Now, in Fit Summit, I actually have health and fitness business niche with me, and I actually request all my students who join me to buy my businesses on fitness category. I give them products, no doubt about it, but I teach them how they can successfully build that business online. For example, I give them an online store, I give them cloud hosting, domain name, I integrate the payment gateway, I teach them how to do entire work by themselves. Okay, I also teach you how you can do sales in marketplaces and how you can source products, how you can package them, how you can do the like your courier or insurance and all these activities. Most importantly, you learn how to become an influencer by yourself. You learn how to get traffic into a website by doing various type of social media and search engine marketing. Okay, how you can find out the way your business can get into a very good brand image. All these things requires a lot of continuous efforts and persistence. Everything can be done by investors' money. So, what requires to become a successful person in bootstrapping? You need a good business mentor who can teach you how to build a successful e-commerce business, how to build a website, how to do day-to-day operations, how to manage the security and law, and how to sell on marketplaces, how to do in retail, how to do in wholesale, how to do growth hacking, and most importantly, working on different type of e-commerce softwares that can help you to get sales. Right now, to optimize your business, we teach you on how to take photographs, how can you do cataloging and managing an account, doing advertisement, shipping, and all these activities in hundreds of e-commerce marketplaces throughout the globe. Right, so when you do that, you will become definitely successful because you learn from the errors and mistakes that you're doing. You're not looking for investors' money. You're looking from your customers' money. You're making some small profits. You are investing that money back into your business and you're making it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And after a certain time, you'll see $1 million cash and profit, 100% share, and 100% ownership retained by you in your business, right? So, as I said you in Fit Sumit, I teach you how to become successful by bootstrapping your business. So, you can contact me by reaching out to the fitsummit.com and contact me page, and I can guide you better on how you can successfully start a business in fitness industry. You can check out my about me page. You'll find out much detail that how I started my business, and I'm so confident that if I can do it, if I can do billions of dollars worth of business for e-commerce companies, you can definitely do it by yourself. Learn with me. I'll make you successful in this. I'm so confident because my last 12 years of my experience has been into investments, but more than that, I invest in companies and startup co founders who love to do bootstrapping. If you're a bootstrapper, my money is with you.